Today, I'll show you how to remove CMS from Webflow. If you've been working with Webflow and find yourself needing to streamline your project by removing a CMS collection, this tutorial is perfect for you. The process is simple, but it requires a few careful clicks to ensure everything is done correctly. Let's dive right in and walk through this step by step. First, you'll want to head over to webflow.com. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're on the website, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not already, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your sites, so it's important to be here before proceeding. Once you're logged in, you'll see an option labeled All Sites. Go ahead and click on this. It'll bring up a list of all the websites you're currently working on or have created in Webflow. This is where you can find the specific site from which you want to remove the CMS. Now, from the list of sites, select the one you're dealing with. Simply click on it and this will open up the project for editing. It's important to make sure you're in the correct project, as changes here can impact your live site if you publish them. After you have your site open, look to the top left corner of the screen where you'll see a tab labeled CMS. Click on this tab. This section is where all your collections and CMS items are managed. It's the control center for your dynamic content, so it's crucial to navigate carefully. Within the CMS panel, you'll see a list of collections. Find the specific collection you want to remove. Once you've located it, hover over it and click on the gear icon next to the collection name. This will open up the settings for that particular collection, allowing you to manage it further. Next, scroll down through the settings. You're looking for the option to delete the collection. It's usually located towards the bottom of the settings panel. Take your time to ensure you're selecting the right collection, as this action cannot be undone. Finally, click on Delete Collection. Once you do this, Webflow will likely prompt you with a confirmation message to ensure you really want to delete this collection. Confirm that you do, and just like that, the CMS collection will be removed from your site. And there you have it. You've successfully removed a CMS collection from your Webflow project. This process can help you maintain a more organized and efficient workspace, especially if you're working on a project where certain CMS elements are no longer needed. Remember, deleting collections is permanent, so always double check your selections before confirming. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Webflow tips and tricks. Happy designing!